Hello guys and welcome back to another vlog. So today I have filmed 2 videos, but I thought that I was going to start another vlog now. I know I haven't vlogged in a bit. Today I have done pretty much admin things. I have answered some emails and I have done some meetings. Now it is 3 in the afternoon and I'm going to take down my film set and probably make some food afterwards or clean the apartment a little bit because it is a mess because I have been so busy. Every day I have been doing something different. I have been to many new PR agencies and I have also been to events, and my life now is very busy. But I thought that I could take you guys with me when I'm doing that. Tomorrow I don't have any plans outside, so I'm very happy about that because it has been very hectic days, and tomorrow I'm just going to chill at home and probably work and just chill. On Saturday we are going to watch a puppy for some hours and I'm very excited about that because it is a cockapoo, which is a cocker spaniel mixed with a poodle. I really like him. And on Sunday we are going to a friend of mine. So that's my plans for the rest of the week. And next week I'm going to some viewings on the new collections, and yeah. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Marlene and I do videos and vlogs about luxury fashion, handbags and shoes. So if that's something you like, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. By the way, I got my new sapphire earrings yesterday, and as you can see here, they are the small version of the large one that I have on. I really like them and I think they are so cute, so therefore I had to get the small ones as well. And I will link them below if you want to check them out as well. And yeah, I will talk to you guys very soon. So now I have been to the doctor, and yesterday I went to Hermes to write my wishes down for a new bag. And I also went and picked up the Bobby bag. I'm not happy about it and I will do a proper video about everything. I will explain everything, but I'm not happy about it whatsoever. I think that they destroyed the bag. So yesterday was a happy day but also a very sad day, or I was angry yesterday because I went and picked up the bag and also they didn't message me that the bag was ready to be picked up. I had to ask them. I don't know how long it has been laying in Dior. I don't know anything about that, but I will do a proper video about it later, so I will spare you for all the details now. But today I went to my doctor and now I have just filmed what I got for my birthday because I realized that I didn't film what I got for my birthday this year, so I had to do it. And of course I had to show my mini Kelly because that's what I got for my birthday. Later today I'm going to get my nails done because it is long overdue. I think it is over 5 weeks ago since I did my nails, and I feel that I need something new and I also don't like how they look now, so that will be very good to get my nails done. And tomorrow I don't have any plans yet. Probably work and also edit the video. And on Thursday I'm meeting 2 of my friends and also a friend after that. And on Friday I'm going to some PR agencies and a fashion agency. Next week I'm going to travel, so I'm going to do a travel vlog next. I have to say that the coming weeks are going to be very hectic and a lot of things happening, but it is going to be very exciting. And yesterday I got a delivery from Estee Lauder, so I thought that we could unbox that together today. So here is the thing that I got. It is like a vanity case, as you can see. And inside it we have some products. So the first thing that I got is this Estee Lauder Advanced Night Serum. This is the serum that I use every day and night, because you can also use it in the daytime. And it is such a good serum, I really like it. And another thing that I got is this Advanced Night Repair eye cream. Another thing that I got is this double wear foundation. I have tried it before, and I also got quite recently a tip about mixing these two together, because as you probably know, I don't like full coverage, and I feel that this one is full coverage. So therefore, if you mix them together, it will be more lightweight and it will be more like the type of foundation that I like. And I got it in the shade 1C0, as you can see, Bronze Goddess. And it is a highlighter, very beautiful, perfect for summer, which is approaching very soon. And the last thing that I got is a beauty sponge from Estee Lauder. This is something that I haven't seen before, and I didn't know that they were making beauty sponges, but it is one of my favorite products to use when I'm applying foundation, concealer and every creamy product. Here it is a silicone plate, and on the rest it is like a normal beauty sponge. So I cannot wait to try this one. I think it will be very good. And yeah, that was the products that I got from Estee Lauder. Now I will probably go and make some food and clean up my mess here.
Still rough around the edges. I guess that some things never change. Yeah, I know that it's been ages, but it kinda feels the same. No matter how hard you try, you cannot push me out, so just listen. I've been thinking of you since you broke it and moved to LA. And no matter how hard I try, I cannot get you out of my system. I know we both have some things left to say. Can you stay a little longer? Can I make you change your mind? Yeah, I know that it's over, but can we stay here for a while until everything's alright again? That's cool with you, cool with you, cool with you.
Hello guys, so now it is Thursday and I'm going out for first lunch with some friends of mine, and after that I'm going for a dinner with a friend of mine. And as usual, I'm running late, so yeah, I think we should go.
That's cool with me, cool with me, cool with me. Is that cool with you, cool with you, cool with you? 'Cause that's cool with me, cool with me, cool with me. Maybe I am selfish, 'cause I want you to myself. Yeah, I know your friends are waiting, but we both know you wanna stay, just like nothing has changed. No matter
So now we are just going to go to the airport. I think I will end this vlog here, and thank you so much for watching. If you're not done watching me yet, here is another video, and goodbye.